In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace back. Full guide. If Marketplace suddenly disappeared from your Facebook app, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear, proven sequence to figure out what's going on and how to restore it. Start by confirming it's actually missing and not just hidden. Use the Facebook search bar to look for Marketplace and open the menu, the icon with 3 lines, to see if Marketplace appears there. If you don't see it in either place, keep going. Next, check your account's eligibility. Marketplace can be unavailable if your account is brand new, if you're under 18, if there were policy violations, or if Facebook flagged unusual activity. Open the menu and go to your support inbox to look for any warnings or restrictions, especially ones that mention Marketplace. If you find one, that explains the removal. Connection settings can also hide Marketplace. Turn off any VPN apps, disable proxies or private DNS if you use them, then fully close and restart the Facebook app. After that, make sure location services are enabled. Marketplace uses your location to show nearby listings. In your phone settings, open location, find Facebook, and set access to allow while using the app. Turn location on, then restart the app again. Now update the app. Open the Play Store or App Store, check for Facebook updates, install them, and reopen Facebook. On Android, if it's still missing, clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. Avoid clearing data unless you absolutely have to, since that can remove saved preferences. If that doesn't help, refresh your account session. Log out from the menu, wait 30 to 60 seconds, log back in, and check Marketplace again. Still gone? Reinstalling often fixes stubborn glitches. Uninstall Facebook, restart your phone, reinstall the app, log in, and look for Marketplace. To separate app issues from account issues, try Facebook on a browser. Open facebook.com in Chrome or Safari, sign in, and click Marketplace. If it appears there but not in the app, you're dealing with an app-specific problem. If it's missing everywhere, it's likely your account. If your account shows a restriction, request a review. Go to Menu, Help and Support, report a problem, choose Marketplace, and explain that Marketplace disappeared and, if accurate, that you have no recent violations. Submit the report and allow 3 to 14 days for a response. Finally, if your account is new, Marketplace can take 7 to 30 days to appear. Stay active, add friends, interact with posts, and verify your phone and email. Access is often enabled gradually. Follow these steps in order, and you'll maximize your chances of getting Marketplace back.